Welcome to Psyched for You, your go-to channel for exploring fascinating psychological insights and how they can enhance your life. Today, we dive into the mysterious world of liminal dream states where creativity flourishes at the edge of sleep. When you're drifting off to sleep or just waking up, you enter a unique state called liminal dreaming. This is where your mind becomes fluid, unrestricted by logic, and highly creative. Researchers refer to this as a creative sweet spot. Your brain enters an associative mode, allowing distant ideas to connect in unexpected ways. As you fall asleep, you pass through hypnagogia, a state where abstract thoughts and vivid imagery arise. Famous creatives like Salvador Dalí and Thomas Edison used this state to fuel their ideas. Dalí would drift into sleep while holding a key, and as soon as he dropped it, the sound would wake him. This brief moment of hypnagogia gave him powerful creative insights. In recent studies, even a few seconds in the hypnagogic state led to participants to solve creative problems 3 times more effectively than those who stayed awake or fell into deeper sleep. Writers, poets, and artists have used this state to connect with characters, develop storylines, and access deep emotional and symbolic content. You can guide your hypnagogic imagery for creative breakthroughs. Here's how. Set an intention before sleep, whether it's solving a problem or finding inspiration. Visualize the task as you relax into sleep. Pay attention to emerging images or thoughts as you enter hypnagogia. Wake yourself up before reaching deeper sleep and capture any ideas immediately. Write, draw, or voice record them. On the other side of sleep, there's hypnopompia, the transition from sleep to wakefulness. This state also offers rich creative potential, filled with partial dream memories and emotional residue. I call it morning writing. By jotting down your thoughts immediately after waking, you capture hypnopompic insights that can fuel your next creative project. Here's how to start morning writing. Upon waking, stay still and let your thoughts flow. Write freely for 5 to 10 minutes without worrying about structure or grammar. Review your notes later to discover creative seeds or solutions. While liminal dreams are often associated with the arts, they also offer powerful tools for problem solving in business and science. Steve Willis, a climate solution innovator, uses liminal dream states to brainstorm solutions to complex environmental challenges. The fluid, non-linear thinking in these states allow for groundbreaking insights across all fields. So whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, harnessing liminal dream states like hypnagogia and hypnopompia could be your key to unlocking creative breakthroughs. Try these techniques tonight and share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join us next time for more psychological insights here on Psyched for You. Keep dreaming and creating. See you next time.